Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Myself Anand. Today I am here to tell you the detail about our product. In the last video, friends, we have covered the registration and the login part. After that, we also covered the overview of our product. Now we are going into the details of our product. So, friends, hope you have been registered to Sianglab. If not, please do. So friends, after you enter the login details, just click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to this page. Just click on the Sandbox button. So friends, now here I will tell you in details about each page. So this is the home page, friends. So in the home page, you will be able to see the stock price details like the open, the LTP price, the net change percent price. Also the high, low, volume, everything, friends, you will be able to see this. You are able to see this chart of symbol, right? Just clicking on the chart symbol, you will be redirected to this chart page. So friends, this is the chart page which are having many unique features that I will be covering in the upcoming videos. No worries for that. Again, we will be going to this home page. You can also be able to sort this stocks, friends. Just click on this open button. It will be in the ascending and the descending order. Everything you will be on every LTP also you can sort. On net change you can sort. On net percentage change you can sort. Like this, friends, you can sort the list of the shares which we are having. Now friends, I will be moving to dashboard page. So friends, what is in dashboard page? In dashboard page, there will be the transaction details, friend, first, where the total amount of transaction, the total profit, the total brokerage amount, and the net profit. What do you mean by net profit? Net profit is the total profit minus the brokerage amount. So friends, why we are providing this brokerage amount? Friends, sometimes it may happen your brokerage amount crosses above your profit amount. So normally no one gives these details during the live market. We are providing this to make you aware what it is your brokerage amount. After that, friends, we are giving you a positions table. The positions table will be like you will be having all the open positions which you are having in your demat account. After that, the symbol name, the LTP, the profit and loss, the buy price, buy amount, sell amount, buy quantity, sell quantity, product, and the exit button. What is exit button, friends? If you are having a buy position, exit will be your sell. If you are having a sell position, exit will be your buy. In this way, friends, we are providing you a positions table. One more unique thing we are providing, friends. What it is? It is the exit all option. Sometimes the market goes in a reverse direction, friends. So at that time, what to do? Just click on this exit all button. All the positions will be squared off at the market price. This is one of the unique feature which we are providing, friends. After that, there will be the charts, detailed profit and loss statement, the detailed profit and loss statement, friends. Here you will also get the account information where you will be getting your profile details and the broker details. As it is a Sandbox user, no broker details are available. After that, friends, I will be going to the chart list. Friends, you want to create a different watch list, right? What do you mean by watch list? You can have particular stocks in a particular watch list. For example, we are having different segments like IT, pharma, petroleum, automobiles, and all that. So you want to see different symbols in different chart lists, watch list. So friends, just click on this button, create your category. I will create a test underscore Sianglab. So my category will be create test underscore Sianglab. After that, we can also create a multiple subcategories, friends. So I will create test underscore Sianglab underscore 1. So my subcategory will be created, friends. We can create a multiple subcategories. So now I will be able to add the stock name into my subcategory. This much stocks I have added in my subcategory, friends. I will click on the save button, so my subcategory will be filled. Now friends, we will be able to see this, the whatever the list we have updated. So friends, what is the name of the list? That is test underscore Sianglab, right? So I will go into that. So friends, one more unique thing we are providing here. So the top 10 of the list which you have created. I will show you how it is. So friends, you can see it is the top 10. It will be in the descending order, friends. Descending order, which is with respect to the LTP. And you can also sort this, friends, on the net change, and also sort this list. So friends, this is the top 10. The bottom 10 also you can view. This is the bottom 10. This is the watch list which you have created, friends. So friends, in this video I have covered three things: the home page, the dashboard page, and how you can create your own watch list. So friends, please like, comment and share our video, and thank you for watching our videos, friends.